Okay. Annoying. Okay, so right now I'm on the way back from the CTV cinema. I have watched the premiere of Michael Biopic, and this is my friend, my old friend from high school, Mr. Nghiêm. And for me, I feel so emotional watching this movie, and because it show the life of Michael Jackson, but not in a sweet way, but in a both bitter and sweetness of Michael Jackson life, because many see Michael Jackson as a king of pop with God gifted talent, but the film show that he is a human after all. So Mr. Nghiêm, how do you think about this Michael Jackson movie? First of all, I want to ask you, are you a Michael Jackson fan? How? And then, how do you think about this biopic?
Actually, I do like Michael Jackson.
Yes.
But I'm not a die-hard fan like my friends do Michael.
Yeah.
However, after watching this movie, it is really good. I think it is better than the Bohemian Rhapsody.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because
Better?
I'm the fan of Queen. I watched the movie Bohemian Rhapsody. But what I got here from the Michael movie, it is more emotional, and I think they go deeper of what Michael thought, what the pressure he got from he was a kid, and we can see that's how hard of a black guy, how pressure of a black family in America as well. Yeah, so you can see that's how they're trying the best to get over all the obstacles of their life as well, and you think that's how Michael can understand his value and how his determination to get over all of his challenge to become the Michael that we know.
We know today, right? Wow. So you have just told me before we filmed this video, you said that for some of the Michael Jackson not so famous song that you don't know. For example, in the movie, you know the Thriller, right? The Billie. But how about watching and listening all the music together? How do you think about the tempo of the movie? How do you think about the tempo of the movie? It is too rush or too slow, or any feeling that you think of?
I think in terms of the music fan, yeah, I do like the way that they the way that the director, the producer, that they make this kind of movie. They do not use too much of the materials of music, like La La Land or somehow like that. You know? Yeah.
I understand. Okay.
So
yeah.
here is just not the movie of the songs. It is the movies of the life of Michael Jackson, of the life of King of Pop that everybody know about him, and we already know that how good of his voice. Yeah, it is fucking special already. Yeah, so I did not care too much about this, but when we watch this movie and the way that they make the sound, the way that they use the materials from Michael Jackson voice and song, it really touch. Really touch. Yeah. Right. So even that I'm not the fan of Michael, and as said, I'm still shaking myself watching this movie. Yeah. So go. Yeah. Buy the ticket. Yeah, and go to watch it.
Yeah, that's cool. So thank you so much, Mr. Nghiêm. And so as my friend said, whether you are a Michael Jackson fan or not, please go watch this movie. and bring your children along, because this is a K-rated movie, which means that minor children under 18 can go watch with the parents. And the parents, please watch this movie so that we can understand more about the parenting or the expectation about the child, and be aware of the so many child talented show. And I see so many child star family, even the family of a YouTuber or TikToker or something, put a lot of pressure to the young children to become the minor, to become superstars. So please watch this movie. It's not right or wrong. Michael Jackson is go from a poor black little kid in Gary, Indiana, and to become the king of pop. But the price is not cheap. The price is untradeable. So keep it in mind. Okay, so I wish you all the peace, joy, and love all over the world. And please, my forever dear good friend, Invest Success, I really hope that you can go watch this movie and enjoy this review, this conversation with my friends, because actually we intended to say in Vietnamese, but I suggested him to talk in English, so that yeah, Invest Success, my only one audience from my YouTube channel that I care about, watch this video. And I wish you all the best in the world, Invest Success. So I love you. Bye bye, Invest Success. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye.